If you're looking to change the color of the LearnWorlds video player to match your branding or enhance the look of your courses, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps you need to follow to customize your video player's color in LearnWorlds, so stick around for a simple solution. First, let's dive into the basics. To start changing the video player color in LearnWorlds, head over to your LearnWorlds dashboard and navigate to the Settings section. Once there, click on Platform Settings, and from the options presented, select Player Settings. This is where the magic happens, so keep watching. Next thing, you'll see the section for Player Color Settings. This is the area where you can tweak the colors of your video player. Click on the color box next to the Player Color option. You'll be able to either pick a color from a color palette or enter a hex code if you have a specific color in mind. If you want it to match your brand's colors exactly, make sure you have the hex code ready. The third thing you'll want to pay attention to is the play button color. The default play button is typically white or gray, but you can easily change it to any color that complements your brand's theme. Remember, the play button is a key element of user interaction, so don't forget to make it stand out. The fourth thing to note is that while LearnWorlds gives you some nice flexibility with color customization, it does have some limitations. You can't modify other parts of the player like the progress bar, volume button, or other small elements unless you're diving deeper into custom coding. So, if you're looking for full control over all aspects of your video player, you might want to consider a more customizable option. Now, here's something you might want to keep in mind. If you're not satisfied with the options LearnWorlds offers for video player customization, there are other platforms out there that provide even more flexibility, especially for those looking to scale their core sites. For example, platforms like Teachable or Thinkific offer additional features and customizations, but you should also note that those alternatives may have their own drawbacks when compared to LearnWorlds in terms of other features. The next thing is something you definitely want to know. By using the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial for LearnWorlds. But wait, before you rush into the decision, we also recommend checking out some alternatives that offer even more powerful customization for your course site's video player, and guess what? They also come with their own free trials. So, to wrap up, LearnWorlds offers a great starting point for course creators who want to change their video player's color to match their brand. It's a simple process and works well for basic customization, but if you need more customization power, we've got you covered with some solid alternatives. Click the link in the description for your exclusive free trial and check out these competitors to see which one fits your needs best. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other tutorials and links in the description.